Welcome to a crash course on statistical platforms where we dive into the intricate world of SPSS and eViews. These are not just software, they're powerful tools, playing a pivotal role in the realm of statistical analysis. Let's start with SPSS, a widely used statistical software package, particularly in the social sciences. It's like a Swiss Army knife for data, enabling users to conduct complex statistical data analysis with ease. On the other side of the spectrum, we have eViews. This is a statistical package designed specifically for time series-oriented econometric analysis. Think of it as a time machine for data, letting you delve into the past, present, and future of your numbers. Both SPSS and eViews serve as indispensable tools for researchers, students, and data analysts alike. They help in making sense of complex data, turning the raw, unprocessed information into knowledge. With these tools, you can transform raw data into meaningful insights. Now that we understand what SPSS and eViews are, let's delve into their unique advantages. Starting with SPSS, it's a popular choice for many, and for good reasons. One of its primary advantages is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a statistics whiz, SPSS is designed to be accessible and easy to navigate. It's like having a friendly guide to walk you through the complex world of statistical analysis. Additionally, SPSS offers a wide range of statistical tests. From simple t-tests to complex multivariate analysis, SPSS has got you covered. This diverse range of capabilities makes it a versatile tool for researchers from various disciplines. And let's not forget the extensive documentation provided with SPSS. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there's a wealth of resources available to support your work. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips, ready to help when you need it. Shifting gears to eViews, this platform shines in its own unique ways. It boasts powerful econometric and forecasting tools, making it a favorite among economists and financial analysts. Whether you're predicting future trends or analyzing economic data, eViews has the firepower you need. Moreover, eViews handles large datasets efficiently. In today's data-driven world, being able to process massive amounts of information quickly and accurately is invaluable. With eViews, you can make sense of big data without breaking a sweat. Both platforms have their strengths, making them indispensable tools in their respective fields. However, as with any tool, SPSS and eViews both have their limitations. Let's begin with SPSS. One major drawback is its hefty price tag, which can be a barrier for many, especially students or small-scale researchers. Additionally, SPSS is primarily designed to handle quantitative data. This means that if you're dealing with qualitative data, you might find SPSS a bit restrictive. Now let's consider eViews. Its learning curve is quite steep, which can be a deterrent for beginners. You need to invest a significant amount of time to master its functionalities. Another downside of eViews is its lack of versatility. Compared to other statistical software, eViews falls short in terms of the range of statistical procedures it offers. In conclusion, while both SPSS and eViews have their strengths, they are not without their shortcomings. Understanding these limitations can help you choose the right tool for your specific needs. Now, let's summarize what we've learned about SPSS and eViews. Both platforms are powerhouses in statistical analysis. SPSS shines with its user-friendly interface and robust data management, while eViews excels in econometric and time series analysis. However, SPSS can be pricey, and eViews may be less intuitive for beginners. These are key considerations when choosing your tool. Remember, the right tool for you depends on your specific needs and the nature of your data. Happy analyzing!